I was going to get carrots, y'all, but I don't think I could handle that. You know, we're going to get a part of the steak right now. Mmm, so tender, so good. I love steak. Mmm, so good. Who don't love steak and potato? Mmm, here's my carrots. They were on the grill too. I ate one. They're really good. Good stuff, y'all.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be.
Hi, y'all. We're back. Hi. My name is Misty.
I'm Charlie.
I don't know if I'm going to put this on the same clip as the peach dumplings, but y'all make sure that you check out. If I don't, make sure you check out the peach dumplings recipe. But anyway, I told you we were grilling out tonight, right? We are grilling out tonight. What are we grilling out tonight, Booger?
Steak.
And why don't you hold a pack up to them? And tell them how much 3 ribeyes cost.
$45.
$45, y'all, for 3 steaks. And then the chuck eye steaks, this one was $14.28. And how much was that one, Booger?
$12.
And 46 cents. Crazy, right? It's just crazy. Craziness is, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to start doctoring these little babies up, and they're going to be grilled out tonight. So we have 3, 4, 5, 7 steaks. All right, what's the first ingredient we have, Booger?
Kinder's seasoning, prime steak, black garlic, truffle.
Yeah, I like those truffle seasonings, y'all. So we're going to rub that on there. And then we're going to be using some salt-free Mrs. Dash, onion, and herb.
Then we're going to use dill, pickle, I believe it's pickled dill.
Dill weed.
Dill
Yeah.
weed.
And
Then
we're going to make a garlic butter. A garlic butter. And we're going to rub it on there. And as the steak's cooking, we're going to baste it on the grill with the garlic butter. So we'll melt this down and put the garlic, and I'll put a little bit of chives and a little bit of Italian parsley in it too. And then for these steaks right here, I'm going to put, what is that, Booger? Tenderizer.
tenderizer.
Yeah, we're going to do that to make sure that they're real tender. But normally any meat you cook on the grill is tender.
Oh, you forgot.
All right, so we're going to be doing that here in just a minute. And if you all have not visited this young lady's channel, please do so. She's going to start doing a lot of full videos again. She's learning how to do it, just like I still have a lot to learn. But her channel is Spongy Gold on YouTube. That's SPONGYGOLD on YouTube. Spongy Gold.
I call myself that because I have goldfish.
Yeah, and we actually have some of our big fish in the peach dumpling video, so y'all would love to look at that. So let's get started. We're going to do our rub for our steaks and let them marinate, and then I will take y'all outside when they're being grilled. All right, y'all, so let me get these steaks opened first. These are the beef chuck eye steak. So we're going to open these first. I thought about using my meat mallet to kind of tenderize it some, but then I'm like, I don't know if it really needs that. Maybe a couple hits, maybe. We'll see. Let me get it. I'm going to use this side right here. All right, I think that's pretty good. Okay, so we're going to start with our Kinder's Prime Steak Seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle, oh, wrong, blooper. We're going to start with the meat tenderizer on both sides. I might do this ribeyes like that. I might, but there's really no need because they're, and these seem pretty darn tender, to be honest with you. Okay, so we got both sides with the meat tenderizer. Now we're going to come in with our Kinder's Prime Rib Rub and sprinkle on. And then we're going to do Mrs. Dash Onion and Herb. Now we're going to rub this in on this side, and then we'll do the other side the exact same way. Okay? So we'll do the prime rib rub again. And Mrs. Dash Onion and Herb. And then just rub that in really good. Y'all, I just love steak. Who else loves steak? I just love it. I love animals. I'm big on animal rights for animals. I think it's sad that we feel we have to eat animals to survive. We really don't have to, but it would be a hard habit to break. And I believe in, if we're going to eat them, kill them humanely, not in a grotesque way or an abusive way. Okay, so now we've got both of those sides seasoned, and I'm going to get my little, oopsie, I'm going to get my little brush here. And I'm going to lather these little bibbies up. Boy, oh boy, aren't these going to be good. All right, and then we're going to just lay them in this dish right here until it's time to take them out and grill them. And we're going to do the other steaks the exact same way. But I am also going to dash some extra dill on top. Because I'm a sucker for dill, y'all. I love it. All right, and then I'll just show you all our steaks before or when we're getting ready to put them on the grill. Don't these look amazing, y'all? Now, these are some big ribeyes. I didn't realize really how big they were until I started working with them. But they are. All right, so now we're going to butter these down with our garlic, blooper! With our garlic butter that we have here. Beautiful steak. Just beautiful. I'm going to have to melt some more butter, y'all. All right, that's it. Now they're going to just marinate for a couple hours before they go on the grill next I'm going to show you our carrots that are going to go into a vegetable packet on the grill. Oh, look at these steaks. Is that all of them?
Yes.
Why are you going to cover the lid?
Start cooking. Oh, it's getting close.
That's the carrots. All right, y'all. Now we are doing baked potatoes with our steak, but we're also going to be doing baby carrots that are going to go in a foil packet on the grill. Okay, so I'm going to open these up. And start dropping them in our bowl here. I don't like that one with that end like that. Y'all, I love baby carrots. Love them. They are so good. Okay. Now, we're going to take our melted butter and we're going to pour on here. I hope I don't need more butter than that. Let me get a spoon. And we're going to give these a stir. I think that's enough butter. But I am going to do a dash of avocado oil too. So I'm going to get our avocado oil right here. Do a dashio. And give that avocado oil and butter and all that in there a good stir. All right, now we're going to come in with some cayenne pepper. And we're going to do as much as your heart desires. There's no specific measurement. It's how much heat you want. So I'm going to probably do a tablespoon. And then we're going to come in with Mrs. Dash, onion and herb. No salt. And let's give this a stir. Okay. And now we're going to come in with our Nate's 100% pure, raw, unfiltered honey. And do about 2 tablespoons. That'd be 1. And that'd be 2. With a little extra. Stir that up. And then I'm just going to put it in foil, y'all. And we will put it on the grill. And we will see you out there, too.